Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you some hosting coupon codes that will save you a good amount of money. I have two coupon codes for you. One gives you 15% off and the other gives you 10% off. So how do you use them? I'll show you step by step in this video. Right now, the Black Friday sale is going on, so this is the best time to grab your hosting plan. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, and it will take you to the official Hostinger Deals page. Once you're there, click on Claim Deals. You'll see different hosting plans like Premium, Business, and Cloud Hosting. The prices might be a little different depending on your country, but don't worry, these coupon codes work worldwide. For example, let's select the Business plan. After clicking, wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, scroll down and you'll see an option that says, Have a coupon code? Now, type in BPSPECIAL and click Apply. As you can see, it gives you a 15% discount on your plan. But remember, this code only works for the 48-month plan. If you're looking to buy a 12-month or 24-month plan, then use the code DC10 instead. That one will give you a 10% discount on your hosting. So yeah, these are the best coupon codes available right now for Hostinger. If you're planning to buy hosting, now's the perfect time. Don't miss the Black Friday deals. You'll find all the links and coupon codes in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends.